Hey YouTube. Alright, so this third series, I guess, in my day hike bag is now going to cover medical. So in this pocket here I've got medical. Look, I'll keep my gloves in there. Just prevent cuts and stuff on your hands, and obviously spider bites or whatever when you're picking up wood. So I treat that as medical. And just simply in this pocket, all I have is my basic first aid kit and a wrap. And that's it. So that's the basic kit. That's my very basic medical kit, basically. Now again, it is a day trip. I'll be close to my car. I probably will be with someone. I'll be in an area where I'm not going to be in the middle of nowhere. It's just a simple day walk or day hunt, blah blah blah. So again, I'm not travelling in the middle of the Kimberleys or anything like that, you know, where there's 200,000 acres of land and I don't know of it. I'll generally be going to places where I do know, or places where I don't know, but exploring. But I know that within, you know, a certain amount of Ks, there are people out there. So it's just a very basic medical kit. I have my bandana, which is also can be used for medical treatment, and you know, I've got my belt in case I really do cut myself deep and have to, you know, cut blood flow. I've got paracord to do that also, so you know, all that stuff. But just as a basic medical kit, this is what I carry. Now I carry this. I need to carry one more. Okay, I need to buy another one. And this is basically my snake bite kit, so I need two of them. You know, I was always taught, if you get bitten here, you wrap it from the bite mark and you wrap it up. And then I saw another video which made sense, is that you need two of them. If you get bitten here, or bitten on your leg or around your ankle way, use an example of being bitten here. You grab one and you start wrapping it from up here first and wrap it down, okay? And then you get the other wrap and you wrap it around the bite mark, wrap it around your hand so you're not moving your fingers and stuff, and then wrap it back up. That's what I've been taught. I don't know if that's the right way. Don't take my advice. I don't know, but that's what I've been taught. And if I ever do get bitten by a snake, that's what I'll do, okay? So I might be wrong. I might be totally wrong, but that's what I've seen. That's what I've been shown, and that's what I'll do, because I don't know any other way. So I got that. Then I got my basic medical kit, and in here I've got some strong painkillers. I've got some alcohol cleansing pads. I've got an array of needles. I've got quite a few band-aids in here. I'll try and pull those out. So, heaps of band-aids there. Some more band-aids there, different sizes. I've got eye wash. I recommend eye wash because if you get something in your eye, it's totally annoying. I've got toothpicks. I've got gaps in my teeth, so you know, meat or food always gets stuck in my teeth, and it's quite annoying. I've got some water purification tablets, and then it's got buttons, some threads, and some bobby pins. And that's it. That's my medical kit. So just, you know, basic little medical kit. You know, we all know you get these little cuts on your fingers, and it can be quite annoying. You know, you want to try to cleanse it so it doesn't get infected. But the point is, it just gets plain annoying. You know, blood gets a bit sticky when you're bleeding, and it's just always good to have band-aids, especially for your kids and that. So yeah, actually, you know what? This is a bit bulky. I might no, actually, I'll leave it in there. I was going to empty some in there, but that's fine. It's closing. Right, so that's my medical kit. That's it. I'll just buy one more of these, and Bob's your uncle, you know. And it fits perfectly in this pocket here. Easy to get to. It's on the outside. Gloves will generally go in my pocket anyway, or on my hand. But that's it. So that's, I guess, part 3 of my day hike bag. I've got my shelter, as I shown at the back. I've got my med kit there, and I've got my fire kit there. So I'll come back with another video.